In this video, I'll teach you how to make shrimp spring rolls and a sweet and sour dipping sauce. First, cut the stalk of spring onions in small rings. Add it to the handful of cooked vermicelli. Next, cut 2 softened dried shiitake mushrooms in small bits. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add a bit of white pepper. Also a bit sesame oil. Lastly, add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Season a handful of shrimp with some sesame oil and white pepper. I've already added some salt right after cleaning the shrimp. Place the shrimp roll wrapper in front of you with a corner pointing to the front. Place about 2 spoons of filling on the wrapper. Add a few shrimp pieces on top. Fold the sides and bottom corner inwards like an envelope, and roll it forward. Use paste made with flour and water to glue it tight. This is my second attempt. I think you can see that I won't get hired at the local shrimp roll stand. I did improve a little bit, and I discovered that you need to keep the wrappers under a moist cloth because they dry out fast and crack easily because of that. Now it's time to fry the spring rolls. Fry them until they are golden brown like this. For the simple dipping sauce, you need 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of spicy ketchup. Just mix it up and you're done.
와, 한 번에